Hello everyone and welcome back. Looking for a budget monitor? Today we're comparing two great options, the Xiaomi A24i and the Lenovo L24i. Let's see which one wins. Both monitors look amazing. The Xiaomi A24i has a super thin body at just 7.5mm. That's thinner than most phones. The Lenovo L24i has thin edges on all four sides and a nice metal stand. Both support wall mounting if you want to save desk space. They weigh about the same, around 3 kilograms, making them easy to move around. Screen quality is where things get interesting. Both have 24-inch IPS panels with full HD resolution. That means clear images and great viewing angles. The Xiaomi stands out with 100Hz refresh rate and factory color checking. Each screen gets tested to make sure colors look right. This matters if you edit photos or want accurate colors. The Lenovo matches the 100Hz speed and adds built-in speakers. Not amazing speakers, but handy if you don't have headphones. Both monitors protect your eyes during long use. They have low light modes and reduce flicker. The Xiaomi had one HDMI and display port. The Lenovo gives you HDMI and VGA plus those speakers we mentioned. Both stands tilt up and down, but the Lenovo doesn't adjust height. If you need that, then get a monitor arm. For daily work and light gaming, both perform well. The 100Hz refresh makes scrolling smoother than standard 60Hz screens. Response time is good on both. Brightness hits 250 nits, which works indoors but might struggle in very bright rooms. So which one should you buy? Get the Xiaomi A24i if you want better color accuracy and a slimmer design. Choose the Lenovo L24i if you need built-in speakers and prefer having both HDMI and VGA ports. Both are solid and budget picks. You can't go wrong with either one. Drop a comment with your choice, like and subscribe for more comparisons, and I'll see you in the next one.